Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all feeling good home with your parents and following with the instruction which have government has given to us. Like regularly you have to clean your hand, maintaining social distance. Yes, children? Okay, children. Now through online classes we are all connecting with each other. Today we are going to see the social studies. Take your social book in your hand. Turn the page number 6th. Now we are going to see about the human evolution on earth. First lesson. Take first lesson. According to the Darwin scientist, the theory of evolution has happened. Yes, children? See, human evolution is the lengthy process of change by which people originated from ape-like ancestor according to the scientist. According to the scientist. See, children, ape. Ape means valilla korangu. Ancestor means munnorgal. Munnorgal means grandparent, great grandparent, great great grandparent. Yes, children? See, who is the grandparent? Our mother? Mother, yes. Example, great grandparent is your mother, grandmother. Grandparent means your mother, mom. Okay, children? See, human beings pass through several stages of evolutions. This process of evolution was very slow and brought many changes in the life of humans. First human came. The earliest human name is hominid. They are appeared 4 to 5 millions ago. Homo habilis was the first human being. Hominid is the earliest human and Homo habilis was the first human. They walk like animals. How animals will be walk? How they will use the hands and legs. Yes, children? Then after few millions after, the humanids learn to walk erect. Erect means nimirndu nadakkirathu. Nimirndu. Okay, children? So that human beings we called Homo erectus. What we say? Homo erectus. Over a period, the brain capacity is developed. Then the erectus man, nimirndu nadandangalla, that erectus man learn to protect themselves. They have intellectual and physical ability. Intellectual means அறிவு சார்ந்து அவங்களுக்கு நிறைய அதிகமான அறிவுகள் என்ன செஞ்சுச்சு வந்துச்சு. They have the brain capacity, yes, children, and they have a physical ability. Physical ability means what? They can able to do all the works. Okay, உடல் திறன் உடையவர்கள், பலன் உள்ளவர்கள். Okay, children? They developed into the modern man around 1000 years ago. They called what? Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens means that is a wise man. அறிவு உள்ள மனுஷன். Okay, then they knew the art of making refined tools. Next, Netherlands. Turn the page, see the page 7. Netherlands was the subspecies of Homo sapiens. Subspecies means கிளை இனங்கள். They are lived first discovered in the Netherlands, in the Germany. Okay, children? Are you understand now? The process of evolution was very slow and brought many changes in the life of man and ultimately transferred the lives of human beings. கடைசியாக மனிதரின் வாழ்க்கை மாறியது. Ultimately it is changed. Now we are going to see about the source of history. To know the past, we need to look the records of the past. Past means பிற்காலத்தில் உள்ளது. Which can be form of the material remains or written records. These records are called source of history. In that one, first one we are seeing fossils and bones. Fossils are imprints of dead animals and plants and humans preserved in rocks. These have been buried for millions of years. புதைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தது. Imprints, முத்திரைகள். Buried means புதைக்கப்பட்டது. For example, if you take dinosaurs, anacondas, that all is not there in our life. Yes, children? How they are find that is a dinosaurs? These are usually the remains of the harder parts such as bones or skulls. Now second point, utensils and humans. This human made object help us to reconstruct history of that period which are not available in our lifetime, this modern time. Okay, so if you see the old utensils, we can get some ideas. This is tell a kind of people, how they lead, how they done the occupations. Yes, children? Now, see the picture. This is a cave painting, otherwise we can say rock painting. These are the important source of information to about the life of people. அவங்க எப்படிலாம் வாழ்ந்தாங்கங்கறத என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம், பார்த்துக்கலாம். Their hunting expeditions in that time period, how they lived in that religious. See, one religious they will be live different ways. Yes, children? See in that picture, cave painting in Bhimbetka. It is in the Madhya Pradesh. It is in India only. Yes, children? These earliest paintings on the cave walls were believed to be in that period. This painting, we can understand how they lived in the caves, how they hunting, cooking, eating and drinking. See children, coins. Coins were made of metals like gold, silver and copper. See that picture, gold coins, silver coins is there, copper coins are there. Yes children? What we can get information from this? We can get the information about the region of the rural. Regions means the king ruled in that period, how they ruled. Yes children? These are all the Asian coins. Now we are going to see about the monuments. It gives us information about the lives and times of rurals. For example, Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar tells us about the region of early Delhi Sultans. Some monuments I gave in the picture. See that picture? Taj Mahal also one of the monuments. Yes children? Now we are going to see the literary evidence. Before paper was invented, people wrote in the palm leaves. Where they wrote? Palm leaves. பனை ஓலையில என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, எழுதுனாங்க. The bark of birch trees, metals, plate, rocks. So these literary sources throw light on the social and economic life in our past life. Okay? It is through light, religious beliefs and practice and culture of the past. These are some of the written or unwritten sources of history. Can you understand children? Children, take your classwork note. Write your classwork. Lesson 1, Human Evolution on Earth. First one is new words. First one is individual, அறிவு சார்ந்த. write neatly. Second one is fossils, புதைப்படிவங்கள். Abilities, திறன்கள். Region, ஆட்சி. Inscription, கல்வெட்டு. Evolution, பரிணாமம். Write clearly. Write neatly also. Next you write missing letter. First one is Homo erectus. Neanderthals. Inscriptions. Monuments. Homo sapiens. Write neatly, children. Write jumble letter. I will give the time to write, okay? See and write. Write neatly. Okay, children? I will check your classwork while you come to the school. It should be neat. Are you finished? Shall I read? First one is evolution. Cave painting. Human ancestor. Subspices. Qutub Minar. Are you finished? Now take your homework note. If there is no homework note, divide it. Okay, children? Right. First one is the earliest human beings were known as dash. Second one is Homo habilis were the dash human beings. Fossils are imprints of dash and humans preserved in rock. Fourth one is dash were made of metals like gold, silver and copper. Dash gives us information about the lives and times of rural. See, if you understand my classes, in this time you can write it. Yes, children? Without saying the book, you can write. Yes? Otherwise, you see the book, find from the first lesson. Okay? Submit your homework in the WhatsApp group. Okay, children? We'll meet in the next class. Take care. Stay safe. Stay at home. Okay, children?